Hi everyone! I'm Architect Amy of #oilchitectdiaries and I'm here to share with you a video of what's inside the premium starter kit of Young Living. So parang unboxing video lang. So I first got my kit a year and a half ago from an architect friend too and a schoolmate. And then when I first got it, actually after 2 to 3 months ko pa siya bago binuksan. Kasi overwhelmed ako sa laman niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong gamit nito, hindi ko alam kung paano siya gamitin, and ano-ano yung mga gamit ng each and every oil na laman sa loob ng PSK kit. So baka you're always asking or you're wondering, what is a PSK kit? PSK kit, ano nga ba yun? So this is a discounted set of Young Living if you want to start your oil journey. So, or you just simply want to have a room that smells good while getting the therapeutic benefits of the essential oils. So, what's inside the kit? So, you have a box that has 11 oils inside. We will discuss with you later kung ano yung each and every oil inside. So, you have a diffuser of your choice, and then you have some aroma glide roller, share it and love it cards, sample bottles, and 2 Ninja Red drink. Okay. So when you get your kit, open your box first. So this one is the box. So medyo mabigat siya kasi nandyan ang lahat ng oils inside. So open it up first. And so I recommend smelling each and every oil inside pag binuksan niyo siya. Kita niyo. So when you open it up, then, meron yan parang flip top na that you can open it. Baka kasi hindi nyo alam na may laman pa siya sa loob. There. So, this is where the Ninja Red is, isang extra oil is, and the sample bottles is, and the share it and love it card. So, there. So, ngayon, iisa-isahin natin lahat ng oils dito sa loob ng box. There. So, the first, let me share with you a little about each and every oil in this pack, no? First is lavender. There. Pag inamoy mo siya, okay, don't put it too near in your nose, ha? Kasi sobrang concentrated nito na it's 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils. So, medyo concentrated, potent, ganyan. So, don't put it too near. Baka bigla kang sumakit yung ulo. So, just put it mga ganyan. Okay? So, amuyin mo lang siya. Yan. And then, that's lavender. Actually, lavender, it promotes a tranquil and environment of sleep. And you can also apply this to your face for healthy-looking skin. There's that. Then, next, there is lemon. Lemon essential oil. It's 5 ml. So, all these bottles are, all these essential oils are 5 ml. And you can see also in the label or yung ingredients sa likod, you can lift up this sticker sa likod. You can see the ingredients. If it's lavender, only lavender yung nakalagay. If it's lemon, only lemon oil ang nakalagay. So, it's 100% pure talaga. So, lemon, it has a very uplifting, energizing, and fresh scent. So, talagang amoy na amoy lemon. Okay? Next is peppermint. Ooh, I love peppermint. Sino po ba yung may love ng peppermint? Yan. Ito, peppermint, sobrang laging staple sa bag ko to. Lalo kasi kapag nahihilo ko sa car, naamoy ko lang si peppermint na ganyan. So this one is an oldest herb for gastrointestinal health. It helps promote focus and energy, smooth tired muscles too. I super love this peppermint because it helps me with my migraine attacks. Helps me cool down, ganyan, relax. Nakatulog ako with it. Ang next one is thieves. Thieves. So I think you have heard a lot about Thieves already. Thieves is a blend of essential oils. It has lemon, rosemary, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, and clove. This can support overall wellness and a healthy immune system. So I love diffusing Thieves, especially pag feeling magkakasakit, ganyan, or feeling down, ganyan. Yan, this is what I love using. And I make blends with Thieves for immune support of my kids and of myself and of my husband. There, Thieves. So next one is frankincense. Frankincense has, wala pala siyang cover, sorry. Yan. Frankincense has an earthy and uplifting aroma for grounding spiritual connectedness in prayer and meditation. This one is great for your happy heart, mind, and soul blend. It is also great for nighttime sleep routine. So yan, frankincense. Super, gusto ko to si frankincense for grounding. Yan. Next is citrus fresh. It is also a blend of essential oils. It's citrus fresh. It has, it's an uplifting and refreshing oil too. So parang happy oil siya for me. There. It has, also tingnan nyo sa likod, orange tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, and mandarin orange essential oil. So lahat ng citrusy, kaya citrus fresh. Yan. Sarap diffuse to sa kitchen. Especially kapag, you want to remove the smell in the kitchen. Yan. Bango-bango sa kitchen. Next is copaiba. Copaiba essential oil. It offers a smooth, soothing woodsy aroma. So woodsy rin yung amoy nito. It is a grounding oil too. Yan. Ooh. Next is diaries. Isa sa mga favorite oil ko si diaries. It is also a blend of essential oils that supports your digestive health. Okay? So, diaries has tarragon, ginger, peppermint, fennel essential oils. Yan. So, you can also check in the directions sa likod how to apply it. So, if you don't know how to use it, ganyan, you can also check it sa label ng bottle. So, like here, directions, apply to desired area in case of sensitivity. Dilute 5 drops in 10 ml of V6 oil. So, V6 is a carrier oil from Youngliving. There. Nakalagay rin aromatic, diffuse up to 1 hour, 3 times daily. Yan. So, if you don't know how to use it, you can just check the label. Yan, by choice. I love it for digestive support. Next is Panaway. Panaway. Oh, isa rin sa mga favorite ko si Panaway. Panaway is also a blend of essential oil that is good for, it comforts overworked muscles and it has an invigorating minty smell. So it is a blend of oil that has wintergreen, clove, and peppermint, and helichrysum essential oil. So there, kapag medyo masakit yung likod, ganyan, I just put 1 to 2 drops, mix it, and massage it in the overworked, tired muscles. There, that's Panaway essential oil. Last dun sa 10 box, 10 oils is Raven essential oil. Raven is what I love, no? Raven also, Raven kasi is a blend of oil that can support your respiratory system and healthy breathing. So here with Raven, nakita nyo, bago iba yung cap niya. Because I changed it with an aroma glide roller. So, i-explain ko na ngayon. It is included in the premium starter kit when you open the box like that. So you will see, this is the aroma glide roller. There. Yan. Ito yan. Kasama siya. Baka isipin nyo, paano ko to gagamitin? Yan. So, I just pop the bottle. Tinanggal ko yung ibabaw niya. So, like for example, si Stress Away, I'll show you. Tinanggal ko yung white part, just like that. Yan. You remove it, and then I just pop the Aroma Glide roller. So I can use it like a roller. And I just pop it like that. There. And I use it like a roller. But, yeah. Because I like using it in my chest, ganyan, to massage my chest. Kasi to help me with my breathing, and that's what I did. Pero this one, super smells good, especially kapag it helps your respiratory system kasi. So, kapag medyo may sipot ka, it helps you breathe better, congested ka, ganyan. You can diffuse it with lemon and frankincense. Yan, pwede, ang raven. So, there. And last but not the least is what's inside. Dito sa loob ng box is Stress Away. So, Stress Away is also a blend of essential oil. From the word stress away, nakakawala ng stress. And much, much more. Pero there. So, you can see also the ingredients inside the label. Yan. And you can also check how to use it here. Nakalagay din siya, directions. Yan. So, there. So, those are the 11 bottles or essential oils included in the premium starter kit. Yan, dami, no? Honestly, ako, nung first time ko siya ginamit, ang first love ko is lavender, peppermint, and lemon. So, I just diffuse it, parang 2 drops each, and my diffuser. Yan. So, what else is included? It are the sample bottles like this. So, it's in the pack na ganito. You can open it up. Baka kasi iniisip nyo, what are these? Ano to? Diba? So, ang dami niya. Yan. Sample bottles. Kasi if you have friends that you want to share the oils with, tapos wala kang lalagyan, you can put it here. Yan. So, you just open it up and then drop parang 10 drops of essential oils. Pwede na siguro yun. There. And I put lavender. And then, there are share it and love it cards like this. Yung share it and love it cards, you can use this to give to your friends. I-pop mo lang itong parang bilog na to. Yan. And, put the bottle inside. Yan, ganyan siya. Remove mo ha, tapos put mo yung bottle inside, ganyan. And then close it. There. May sample lavender essential oil ka na that you can give to your friends. Diba? Cute, no? There. So, there are different sample share it and love it cards included in the set too. Yan. And then, you also have, what's included is, you also have 2 Ninja Red pack. So, it's a delicious drink that is rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Comes from Ninja Wolf berries that is a great antioxidant and provides energy. It is also infused with 100% therapeutic grade essential oils for the sweet citrus taste. There. So that is what's inside your box, the big heavy box. I'll close it. Oh, pag tingin mo para dito, there is also a letter for you. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Dear Young Living member. Close natin ito. So there. And then, what's included in the premium starter kit is the diffuser of your choice. So you have 2 choices of diffusers when you start your oil journey. You have the Dewdrop diffuser, so this one, and the Desert Mist diffuser. So I'll open the Desert Mist. So when you open it up, so that's the yung choice nyo. So either or lang pwede nyo isama dun sa PSA kit nyo. So you have the adapter, diba? Saksakan. Tapos nandiyan din yung manual. And then, you can box it, open it up. So there. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser naman. So you have two choices. You have the Desert Mist and the Dewdrop Diffuser. So, when you use it, just open it up. Same naman sila. I'll i-demo sa inyo si Dewdrop na lang. You open it up, then, yan. So, may cap inside. This one. So, with the Dewdrop Diffuser, there's a red parang button there. Yan. So, hanggang dun mo lang siya, dito, hanggang dun mo lang ilalagay yung water. Parang yun yung water line niya. Hanggang dun lang. And then, you can put your essential oils of your choice, a blend of your choice. I usually put 6 drops total, so it depends how big is your room. If your room is too small, you can, and if you have kids, you can start with 4 to 6. Then if you have bigger room, start with 6 to 8, diba? You check it first, and then, syempre, kasi if you're a first-time user, your body will also have to adapt to it, diba? You check kung after a week, start low and slow kasi. Start low and slow. So, start with, less drops of oils first. So, there. So, you put your water, and then your oils, and then close it up. Siyempre, sasaksak mo, di ba? Yung saksakan nandito, and then saksak mo. And then, with this, you have two buttons, so left and right. Yung left is power button, and right is the light button. You can see it also in the manual. Pero first press of the power button, it diffuses around 4 hours. Okay. Two presses. If you press it 2 times, it diffuses around 6 to 8 hours. Yan. So kapag 3 times mo naman siya pinrest, it's intermittent setting, meaning on and off siya. So I usually do that kasi it lasts around 10 hours eh. So I usually do that at night, yung 3 presses. So, and then you can change the light doon, yung sa part niya. Kung yung colors ng light there. So this one naman is a Desert Mist Diffuser. So with a Desert Mist Diffuser, there is also a water line there. So I put water hanggang dun sa line. You can see it. And then, saksak natin sa ilalim. I'll put first ito na lang, lavender. Para mas ubus na pala. Ulit. Ubus na pala siya. Then, close it up. Sarado nyo lang. And then, close nyo lang din to. And, same as the Dewdrop Diffuser, meron din siyang left power button and right light button. So, I'll turn on. First one press. Yan. Meron na siyang, nag-diffuse na siya. You can change the light dun sa right side. Yan. So, yan. Press nyo lang until your favorite light. Yan. So, there. Bago na din. I diffused lavender pang nakaka-relax. So, there. Ayan. Nabuksan nyo na yung premium starter kit. So, next video, maybe we'll discuss how to clean your diffuser. Diba? How to maintain it and how to take care of it. There. So, and now, syempre nabuksan nyo na, you are now ready to experience the therapeutic benefits of these essential oils. So, hope you enjoy them. For any questions, just comment below. Thank you guys again for listening, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, #oilchitectdiaries. Bye, and see you next time!